In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Notion 2025. If you're new to Notion or just need a quick refresher, no worries. I've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can easily and securely log out from this versatile platform. First things first, you need to head to Notion. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website, or by simply opening the Notion app if you already have it on your device. This step gets you to the main interface where you carry out all your creative and organizational tasks. Once you're in Notion, pay attention to the upper taskbar, where you'll see either your workspace name or your profile name displayed prominently. This serves as your gateway to account settings and options. Hover over or click this profile or workspace name, as it's key to accessing the menu where you'll find the Logout button. Now to logging out. Once you've clicked on your profile or workspace name, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various options related to your account settings and activities. You might even see options like settings, integrations, or team spaces if you're part of a larger workspace. In the list, you'll find the option to log out. Click on that. Hitting that logout button ensures that your current session is terminated, effectively signing you out of Notion and safeguarding your information. If you're using a shared computer or device, logging out is a crucial habit to protect your privacy and work. This action prevents unauthorized access to your sensitive content, keeping all your hard work secure. And that's it, you're now logged out from Notion 2025. It's a simple process, sure, but vital for maintaining your digital hygiene and ensuring your data is kept safe. Always remember to log out, especially on public or shared devices, to keep your Notion workspace protected from prying eyes. Before we wrap up, here's a handy tip. If you're often using Notion across multiple devices, consider checking the Remember Me option cautiously. It's perfectly convenient for your private devices, but for public or shared devices, it's always safer to leave it unchecked. This ensures you'll be prompted to log in each time, adding an extra layer of security to your Notion use. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to efficiently log out from Notion 2025. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more great content. We'll have more guides and tips coming your way, helping you navigate through your Notion experience and beyond. Until next time, keep creating and stay organized.